Yeah, good morning my dear children. We are continuing the lesson number 1, the rest grammar. Okay, all are ready now? So in the last class we have stopped the conversation, that is a work with your partner. Look at the picture and pretend to buy things from the shop. One of you can be the shopkeeper and the other the buyer. Up to that we have finished in the last class. Today I am going to take the same lesson, page number 12. Page number 12, K. That is a think and write. Think and write. Imagine you are Anuj. What is it? Imagine you are Anuj. Write 5 sentences on what you wanted to buy from the shop. So you should have to think that you are Anuj and write 5 sentences what you wanted to buy from the shop. When you go to the shop, what the things you buy. So in the textbook it is already there. In that way you can write, and any other choice you want you can write in that way. Okay, I am going to read it for you. First I wanted to buy when I go to the shop, first I want to buy, what I want to buy? I want to buy a bar of chocolate. First what the thing I want to buy? I want to buy a bar of chocolate. Next I wanted a small red car. Next I wanted a small red car. Then I saw a box of sweets. Then I saw a box of sweets. Then I saw a packets of popcorn. Finally I decided to buy round toffees. That is already in the textbook, we have wrote it in the earlier portion. That the same thing you can write. Okay, that is K. Next is a fun time. What is a fun time? In which shop will you find these things? Write the words in the correct boxes. So in the boxes you have given chilies, pencil, spinach, chair, notebook, sofa, tomato, glue, bookshelf. So the stationery shop, furniture shop, vegetable shop. So when you go to the stationery shop, what all things you can see? That is in the box. You should have to choose the right answer and write it in the gap portion. The first one, it is already given to you when you go to the stationery shop, what all things you can see? Pencil, pen, notebook, glue. So the answer is there given to you in the textbook in the box. From there you should have to choose and write. Okay. So in the box it is given the pencil. Pencil is already written to you in the stationery shop. When you go, you can see pencil there and you will buy it. If you want, you will buy it. Yeah, pencil. You can see notebook, then glue. And when you go to the furniture shop, what are things you can see? The chair, sofa, bookshelf. When you go to the vegetable shop, what are things you can see? Chilies, spinach, tomato. Okay, up to this we completed the lesson number 1, the textbook based grammar and everything we have completed. Then all of you go to the grammar in the back of your textbook. Go to the grammar side, that is in the page number 41. Yeah, all of you ready? No, all of you taken that back page of that grammar of the shopping fun. That is adverbs. That is in this shopping fun we are going to study what? Adverbs. We are going to study adverbs. What do you mean by adverbs? A word that modify a verb or an adjective. That is known as adverbs. ക്രിയയെയോ നാമത്തെയോ ഒരു വാക്യത്തെയോ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന പദത്തിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് adverbs എന്ന്. എന്താണ്? ക്രിയയെയോ നാമത്തെയോ ഒരു വാക്യത്തെയോ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന പദത്തിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് adverb എന്ന്. മനസ്സിലായോ? That's first we can do it. No, first is A. Underline the ly words in these sentences. What you should have to do is underline the ly words in these sentences. I am going to read it. I am reading for you, so you should have to underline it. Okay. All the children should have to take the textbook in your hand, and when I am reading, you should have to underline it. Okay. First one, Mother Teresa held the baby closely. That is already done for you. Mother Teresa held the baby closely. So ly form word is closely. So it is already underlined it for you in the textbook. Yeah. Second one, Varun solved the puzzle easily. Second one is Varun solved the puzzle easily. So which is the adverb or ly form of the word is here easily. Easily, E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily, underline easily the. Okay, yeah. Third one, Alan wrote neatly. So you underline the neatly. What is it? Neatly, yeah. Fourth one, the hungry boy ate greedily. So greedily is the word you should have to underline, greedily. Okay, greedily, underline it. Next, fifth one, Mummy asked Papa to drive the car carefully. So what is the ly form of the word the? Carefully. Underline carefully the. Next, sixth one, Anna loves her granny dearly. Anna loves her granny dearly. So what is the ly form of the word the? Dearly. D-E-A-R-L-Y, dearly, underline dearly the. Yeah, seventh one, the horse jumped quickly over the fence. So which is that ly word here? Quickly. What is it? Quickly, underline quickly the. Yeah. Next is fill in the blanks with the correct words. Choose words from the brackets. What is it you should have to do? Choose words from the brackets. Yeah. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Choose words from the brackets. First one, B, first one. Susan pats the squirrel lovingly, shortly. So how Susan pats the squirrel? Yeah, Susan pats the squirrel lovingly. So you should have to underline the lovingly. What is it? Correct. Choose the words from the brackets. So the right answer is lovingly. Susan pats the squirrel lovingly. Second one, the clothes were kept loudly, neatly in the cupboard. So the clothes were kept neatly. Neatly is the right answer. Neatly in the cupboard. Third one, the children did the homework briefly, quietly. So children did their homework briefly or quietly. What's the right answer? Children did their homework briefly. What is briefly? Next, fourth one, the rabbit ran swiftly, greedily. The rabbit ran swiftly. The rabbit ran swiftly. Next is fifth one, Harjit and his sister danced neatly, happily in the rain. So how they danced? Happily. Happily in the rain. So the right answer is neatly or happily? Happily. Happily in the rain. Yeah. Sixth one is speak softly, kindly. The baby is sleeping. Yeah. Speak. Yeah. Softly. The baby is sleeping. So in the dash portion you should have to write. Yeah. Speak softly. The baby is sleeping. Next is C. Find 8 ly words in the word puzzle. Fill in the blanks with them. What you should have to do? You should have to look the ly words in this puzzle and fill in the blanks there. Okay. That is in the page number 42C. Page number 42C. First one, the king ruled dash. What is it? The king ruled? Yeah. Wisely. How? The king ruled wisely. That is already given to you. Next, mummy wakes up dash in the morning. Yeah, mummy wakes up early in the morning. That is the second one. Mummy wakes up early in the morning. Yeah, third one. Payal stroked her pet cat dash. Yeah, Payal stroked her pet cat gently. Pet cat gently. Next, fourth one. The children cheered dash for the winners. Yeah, the children cheered dash for the winners. What is the right answer? The children cheered loudly for the winners. Yeah, loudly. The children cheered loudly for the winners. Fifth one. There was dash any water in the well. Yeah, there was dash any water in the well. What is the right answer there? There was dash any water in the well. So you should have to choose the right thing from the box and you should have to fill it there. What is the right answer? There you should have to fill it there and you should have to write it there. Okay, my dear children, that is The children dash for the winners, that is the children cheered loudly for the winners. Fifth one is there was dash any water in the well. There was badly any water in the well. That is badly. That is badly. There was badly any water in the well. Yeah. Sixth one, I go for my music lessons. I go for my music lessons. Sixth one, I go for my music lessons daily. I go for my music lessons daily. Seventh one, the football team played dash and lost the match. Yeah. The football team played dash and lost the match. Yeah. How they played? The football team played wisely. The football team played wisely and lost the match. Seventh one, that is a seventh one. Eighth one, the books were arranged dash on the shelf. The books were arranged neatly on the shelf. What is it? The books were arranged neatly on the shelf. Okay. Yeah. Next is Next is D. D is give one word for these groups of words. What you should have to do is you should have to give one word for that group of the word that is in that sentence. One word is for you. That what the one word is you should have to say. That is first one is already done for you. That is in a loud manner. When you are saying loudly, what we will say for that loud, in a loud manner when we say, that is loudly. In a loud manner when we talk, we will say that is loudly. Something that happens every month. That is for that one word is something that happens every month. And the third one is something that happens every week in a beautiful way. Fourth one, in a safe manner. That is all that things we are having one word for that. That we can see in the next class. Thank you, my dear children. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.